Vacuum Furnaces designs and manufactures advanced vacuum furnaces with the highest quality standards in a wide range of dimensions and applications. Our range of products include horizontal and vertical vacuum furnaces with graphite and all-metal thermal chambers, and cooling gas pressure up to 15 bar. TAV vacuum furnaces customers are the leading companies in the aviation and aerospace industry, commercial heat treatment, additive manufacturing, gas turbines, and the most prestigious research and development centers and laboratories. Up to date, more than 800 furnaces were supplied to more than 500 customers worldwide. Please visit our website or come to visit us in Italy.